Hi, okay, so today we're going to be tying the sego on the screen. Yeah. So they tying this sego. Now you will notice, you see this sego, you see this sego, you see this sego of, of all different fabric, like different texture I mean to say. Now the thing about sego is some come very hard, some come soft, some come medium. But for a normal fabric, it's supposed to come medium, not too soft, not too hard, so that you can break, you can fold and do whatever you want. So guys, so among these all now, I'm gonna be using which one are we to use, which one are we to use? Okay, let me use this orange one. First of all, I noticed that some sego are cut wrongly. For any sego you buy, let it be up to 90. Look at, you get, first of all, let it be up to 90. And now this 90, we are assuming it to be 100. Well, we are assuming it to be 100. What do? We fold it to 2, becomes 50, 50. Now you leave the one inside and fold. Because right now we're going to be looking for a 70, 30. So we have folded 50, it becomes 25, 25. What are we going to add to a 25 to give us 30? It's 5. So from here, you add this. Now, not like this, not like this, this. So these are 25. So we're going to be adding this. So from here now, from here, I'm not going to be altering the 30. From here is where I will take my plate inside the 70. Okay. Now, let me explain something to you. When you are tying this style, when you are tying this style, you don't need to exhaust more fabric so that you have a little to drag to make few fans. Understand? So see, we'll drag 1, 2. I think when I make up to 4, I'm okay. Yeah, let me just leave this little one, although it's even little safe. But let me just leave this one so that I will see to use. Okay, I think this is 5. I think yeah, I can even leave it safe. Let me use 4. I can use 4, I can use 5. Alright, so guys, what you do now, you place on the ear. One ear closed, one ear open, because we are doing a V. Rearrange. Please, whenever you're arranging it, make sure your V is flat. Some people arrange their views now be like on top each other like this. Very wrong. You understand? So you arrange, make sure it's flat. You arrange, make sure it's flat. Everything on their own. You understand? Look at flat. So we'll go over it. One ear closed, one ear open. You get? So the person will hold here. We'll arrange here also. We'll arrange here also. You get? So she will hold here also for us now. Now, what do? Go to the back. The back here now. Now see, we always open. You open. You get? You open. When you open everything so that you can pleat. Now we already know the method we normally use. The short one up. The short one is always up. You get? So what do we do now? You see all these pleats we make. All these pleats we make. We pick them properly. All these splits we made, we pick them properly. Now see 1, 2, 3, 4. So you add all these ones together. Now you can see after picking the plate, here will be smooth. Then you do the same for here. You pick, you pick, you pick. Then you can join others together. Now before you drag, you bring this one backward, so that you can drag both. You can see the way it is, both this way, this one this way, this one this way. While the person is holding for you, you will turn it. Now see how you go. This hand this way, put your hand there. Understand? So now let's cross also. You see we made 4 here. So this side most times I can make many as I want. But first of all, you must get that 4. You get, you close the ear. Once you close the ear, now most times you might want to follow all these things, but most times you can just recreate your own. You get, if you know they will distract, can create, but if you can still follow, it comes out nice. You arrange, understand? all you do, so so you see, now I've gotten my 4, and you can see it's very flat. Gotten my 4, but let me just add at least 1 or 2 to it. So this is my middle. This is my middle. So I'll hold it here like this. I'll arrange it, arrange it, arrange it, arrange it, arrange it. Please, there's this mistake you made. This last one now is coming like this at the end, not like this. You not come from here like this to cover the V. No, it's coming like this. It's coming like this. So it's coming like this. You drag it very well. Now look at how I pin. You drag it very well. You see, this is how I hold my pin. You go in, then to go in. Once you notice that it has touched this one, you try. Sorry, is it touching? Sorry, is it touching? Yeah. Okay. You try to force it out. You have to be extremely careful. But if you have been following me over time, you notice I said this one, I always like it. Hey you, sorry, you can't cut that part of the video. Come on to, so they'll say, you cannot boss person. Let it touch it. Sorry, push it. Now you see here, you pin it down. Just pin it. Can you pin it down to the back so that it doesn't stress you or something or so? So whatever you do, this is your first step. So most times I come here, I see, oh, this thing is not too tight. What I just do, I'll drag this one down and I pin it here. You might want to do it. You might just say, okay, let me leave it. Okay. And now another thing I discovered about sego. Some sego might look nice. Please stay out to hold both ears. Now you drag here. See, come, you drag here. Just drag it. So you know what you are doing first. So what do we do? What do we do now? Make few pleats. So we're gonna be making pleat. We arrange like this. Arrange like this. See, we have arranged pleats. We arrange it. Now for sego, you see why I normally take 4 or so. For sego, most times the last one must. Sometimes, I'm not saying most. Sometimes the last one usually is usually missing. So after arranging this way now, so most time what I do, once I get to this middle, because most times it might be going my rear. Once I get to this middle, I try to stick pin. I might just take the 2 pleats, pin. Take it, touch it, then you force it in. Be careful so that you don't pierce the person. I know pinning is another challenge, but what do? We have to see practice. Now, to get that kind of high gele, if you go and pin at the back, most times it becomes very tight. You understand? Jesus. Another record. Record. Thank you, Jesus. I be don't fear say I know the record. I dey see. Okay. Alright, so most times if you want to make it high, from here, what you start doing, you raise all this one up. See, you will just push them up like this. Then you break one. Now when you break, you give it height. You take it small here. See, you give it height here. Then you break like 2. Then after doing just that, you can arrange these ones. Now you can arrange these ones. It's 2 things you can do now. 2 things you can do now. You see the shape I've created like this now. This is to structure it so that you can give it height. With the way you have done it now, you can tell the person to hold here, you go to the back and pin. Now see, you bring all this one down, you carry your 2 pleats. This is your 2 pleats, you carry it, you pin here, you drag it, you pin. Just drag it and you pin here. All right, thank you. Thank you, thank you, thank you. So now we'll figure out here first. You understand? So what do? You see this stuff we did now? We'll carry little, link it up here. Carry little, link it up. See, yours is watching. Carry another little, link up with this one. You see those spaces it's creating already. I carry this one little. Okay, so give the person to hold. Now we'll try to create at least 1 or 2 fans. Carry this little, just leave it like this. Now see, we'll just break one, we'll just break our fan down. You understand? So this is how we break our fan down. When we get here, you pin. When we get here, you just try to look for something to pin to hold it. You know it's sego, so it will hold. So you see, we have gotten this side now. That's how we structure this side. Then what do? We do like this. We now start breaking. Now, let me show you. You now remove one. So that's why you have to practice this breaking. Look at now. Look at what I'm going to do. Take small. So now we big up. Arrange it. Then another thing you should learn is to arrange it down. Then you take small. You big up. You arrange it down. You can see already. You can see how it's going over here. We have our layers. We have this. We have the fan here. Then we're going. So continue, take cord. So just keep on breaking the one-sided fan. Now it gets to a point. If I keep breaking it that way, it might start going up. That's where the fan procedure comes. You start breaking it. Or up will not be small. Then look at it. Up will not be small. Down will not be big. Then I'll fold it so that it will start coming down. All you just need to just try to break the fan the way you know it will arrange down. Okay. Get the point. So keep arranging one after the other, one after the other, one after the other, one after the other, one after the other. And please, when you are doing this stuff, let it be on top of each other. Let it be on top of each other. Yes, so let it be on top of each other. Now arrange it. Just pick it. Make sure you pick. Make sure everything is on top of each other, please. Very important, so that it makes it easier for you. Most times when I get to this place, most times I just carry my pin like this. Pin it inside. Just pin it slant. Like if you go over to like 3 to 4 pin 3 to 4 line. Okay, so keep arranging. Arranging. You get, so when you get here, just carry this one and twist. Carry this one and twist. Carry this one, twist. We do our normal twist. Now the thing is, just you knowing, do a normal twist now with pin. Now, if you have been following me for a while, you know, whenever I tie gele, I'm always concerned about the shape. Some people might want to leave it like this, but me, the way I do it most times, I'll bring all this side. I'll try to arrange it this side and this side. Try to arrange it. That's why most times when you see us after tying, you see after tying, you not see most times we scatter the middle, or most times to arrange it. Just to go for now to get the shape. You understand? So that's why you see the shape matters a lot. Again, the shape matters a lot. How the shape comes out matters a lot. Yeah, so do it that way. Then you yourself, you arrange it. And the way you have it. And most times you might want to pin. Anywhere you deem it necessary, then you pin. You get? Just go, arrange. If you want to pin, you pin. If you get so, this is it. This is the easiest way you can tie it. You get so you need work on the fan. This is the side of the fan that is attracted. You can see this side now is just small. All we need to do is just to get this balance up. You can just check other stylists on how they do it. It comes out like this. Understand? So when you're doing it, come out like this. Alright, so let me show you another way you can use in doing it.